So Sunday night I came down here to watch trains. I tell you what, the high rail vehicle just went by. He got cleared from wing to rad, so truck one's gonna be out of service for a few minutes. But good news is there's two trains waiting behind them. There's a 21E and a 21J waiting behind the high rail vehicle, so they should be here momentarily. I mean, the one just got this green to go, or should I say, medium approach. First train of the day. Yep. Got a lot of sturdy clip label on there. Yep. This power move, yep. See, yep. Conrail Heritage. Look around here and you see how thick some of this brush is. When they built this railroad, this stuff was thousands of years old, completely untouched. And then they came through here and built these tracks. But when you look around here, you see a 100-foot deep cut down there in the hillside. Then you see it cuts through all this rock here. And you start thinking, you know, how would they even know what elevation they were at? I mean, how they built this stuff? I mean, they cleared all this in the 1800s without fancy electronics, which I have no clue how they managed to do that. I mean, how would they even know what angle to put the track at? I mean, how would they know the elevation? I mean, it's a 100-foot deep cut there, this deep cut here. I mean, how would they even know to do that? And where'd it go? I mean, because you see how thick this brush is, that is how bad this brush was when they created this railroad. I mean, how would they get those vehicles up these steep hills without digging them out first? I mean, how did they do that? I mean, I would really like to know. We got ourselves a train coming. It snuck up without a sound. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Here it comes. Oh, it is flying. It's a UPS train. It's very lightweight. Doesn't seem to be running very hard and it's going quick. There's the end of it already. Yeah, the end of it's already running, but it's short. It's very short. At least I think it is very short. Maybe not. I can't tell. Say, yep. 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 Say, yep. Here comes another train. You know, they can see you clear down there. The sunshine on me here. chance, try to sneak up behind you. Oh yeah, he's got the hammer down, as I would say. Yep, she's gonna be a long one. He might have a push at the end of this. Yeah, I'm thinking he might have a push. This seems pretty heavy. This seems pretty slow for an intermodal. The trio dash 9s, I believe it was. Still coming. Oh, smell of dead animal, it stinks. Yeah, it's still coming down there. Yeah, she's a monster. Yeah, it's still coming. He's starting to slow down because of that train in front of him. Right about there. Yeah, I think he's gonna push. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, there's no pushing into that. Oh, it ain't no train, it's just Station 57. Listen to that echo. Why does that never go off when I'm down there? Oh, black diamonds mixed right. Yeah, this guy should have a bush. Yeah, empty. It's the empty 39G. Yeah, it's the empty 39G. Let's go back to the direction and get filled again. That is fertilizer. Comes DPU power. That is fertilizer. Some of that's nasty stuff. Loaded center beam. Yeah, loaded center beam just flex in the middle. Them cars rock. Yeah, here comes the DPU locomotive. We see it down there. Oh, there's tie plates. Got some deep power coming this way. Heritage. Rail. Scrapwood. Might be 38G is what the number on this one is. Yep, it's bushy yet still there's still more coming. Here comes the big load of shit right here. Yeah, that's just auto rocks, that's it. That's for the auto rocks in down there. Epic shit. Look at that epic shit. It's funny. I think they're empty though too, it don't smell at all. It'd be great if I had a meet right now. Yeah, I'm thinking so. No, I don't see ambulance on the side though. And less car. Oh, listen to that AC. Oh, listen to that mid-train DPU. I think it was an AC, I can't remember. What was it, 1069 or something? It might have been Heritage, I don't even know. I couldn't see in the sunlight. Hey, there's my neighbor going uphill right there. You got ACE howling. Man, DPU is just howling out in the distance. Should say it right about now. Well, that's why it took so long to come from CP Traf. It was heavy, going slow. Come on, defect detector, I know you're there. Should be passing it right now.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 332.8. Track 1, no defects.
Alright, clear in the next block. Tell you what, I just had a pretty good wind gust come through, and the angle of the sun, I tell you what, that breeze right there just passed through. Took the feeling of early summer away. I mean, you can feel it transitioning to midsummer now. I just saw two vehicles fly by. White, big SUV went flying by 1,000,000,000 miles an hour, and a black pickup truck was chasing him just now. That was definitely hitting. I can't do this. Just now, I saw a big white SUV go flying by 1,000,000,000 miles an hour, and there was a black pickup truck chasing him. Looks like there was a hit and run crash on there. Here comes another train. Amtrak's been cleared to leave the station, so we're just gonna sit here. So he's gonna be here momentarily. Gonna keep an eye for Amtrak back there. I tell you what, I'm beat. Listen to that AC howling there. They don't have any ACs anymore, they got rid of them. Let's see. Double stacks. I think he said 21T. Clear traffic when he stopped, so this is 21T. Fresh out of the yard. Oh yeah, he's got the hammer down. Yep. Yep. Say. Yep. Thank you. I have a feeling Amtrak's going to be right here. I have a feeling he's just going to suddenly be there. No defects on track 2. No defects on track 2, so he's coming. Power coming. You see exhaust back there. Yeah, I don't see any exhaust on there. Still running the bend on there. It's still running the bend on there. Yeah, ain't nothing coming. There he is. Here comes Amtrak. There he is. Say, yep, her. Say.
Track 2, no defects.
I tell you, almost. Is it? Yeah, he came up fast.
Southern milepost 332.8. Track 2, no defects.
gonna go rip around the bend out there. Oh yeah. Feel that impact, oh yeah. He's dragging equipment right there. He might be dragging equipment. Hard hat area.
Norfolk Southern milepost 332.8. Track 1, no defects.